back to another video. Now today, I have special guest, Austin.
Hey guys.
Okay, so today we're going to be talking about a few different kinds of trucks.
Here's one. You want to explain it?
Well, it has a really good amount of weight to it. It's better than mine.
It's also a Chevy, so it's pretty good. Good ear tires too.
Yeah.
It's pretty jacked up.
Mine just burned. You know what happened to mine?
What?
I burned off my my rubber. Bring me the truck.
Okay. So here's our second truck, guys. Right here.
You can see, not very good tires. I burned all the rubber off. So, yeah. So, basically, we have lights, and we're going to be racing this. I have a big surprise. We are going to be racing this. It's going to be my first racing video.
That's pretty cool.
So, I have my lights there. They don't really work. It's just
pretend.
Yeah. And his lights actually bend down and up. So.
Oh, yeah, okay. So, let's just show them that. Bends up, bends back. Put them all back so you can tell.
Yeah.
Okay, they're all back. Put them back up.
Yeah, so, yeah, and you want to know something different?
What?
Does yours have a suspension?
Yep.
Yeah? Or like press down on it?
Yep.
Want to know something weird about mine? Mine doesn't have a suspension. Front suspension, no.
That's us.
It's like top.
Okay, so I call this truck for the race?
Yeah, well, no, we both race.
Oh, yeah, we'll race together. Okay. So we're just going to compare them. Okay.
Okay, so today I am actually going to be with the light one. I think this one's going to win because, you know why, Austin?
Why?
It's because the thing is lighter, and lighter sometimes wins because it can hit jumps easier and it flies.
Personally, I think this one's going to win because the more weight, the more
Actually,
better.
how about we do this?
How
about we go and race?
Okay, let's do this.
Grab the camera.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I know we need to put it here. Okay, so we can see we have my face there. Now let's go.
Let's go to the location.
Let's go to the location.
Here, I'll put the camera at the end of the racetrack.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we're just gonna set the camera here. So, and then you guys can see we have the two trucks. Whoever hits this camera first wins.
Well, not hit it because you don't want to break it, but you. Okay. So you ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Okay.
We actually have pretty cameras here. Like, nice
That's pretty good
cameras.
camera.
Okay, here.
1, 2, 3, go! Okay, so
Okay, guys, that was epic. I hope I got that on camera. This is gonna be today's video.
Bye.
So,
Peace on the streets.